How long have we been traveling?
What'd you say, 16 hours? We're almost there, man.
King of the Hammers!
Oh yeah, there goes it.
I think this is the way to the King of the Hammers.
We made it.
Hey guys. Hey. So we just got to Hammertown. First thing on the list is to deliver this part to Mike and get his buggy fixed.
How many kilometers? 4,000 kilometers. Customs, on the plane, off the plane. We got her done. Oh, we got to put a shout out to Doug, who delivered it all the way from Niagara Falls to Barrie, just so we could have it. What do we do? Over here.
Look at that.
We're going to Truck with Thunder to watch the EMC qualifying. We're going to scope out the lines, hopefully, so that the Canadian compound competitors can kick some butt.
We made it to Chocolate Thunder, man.
I'm so out of breath.
Cheers.
Cheers.
EMC qualifying.
So sick. So awesome, dude.
right, we just watched qualifying. Now we're here for the shootout.
Chocolate Thunder or Idle Issues, one of those. Up or down, we don't know.
This is it. This is the big show. This is what I actually get so excited about aside from the big race there this week. This is the Holly EFI backdoor shootout.
What'd you think of that?
This is Josh Hall coming up next. Again, you can tell him with those big meaty tires, 50-inch megas. Again, turbocharged 6-liter. Definitely doing some work right now.
All the way up from Alberta, Canada, representing the Canadian people proudly here. Yeah, looks like Mike Dion is absolutely tearing up the course. Look at that. You can just sort of get a glimpse of him heading into
ripping
the rocks.
through there. I hear the crowd going nuts.
He's taking what we just call like a little dirt nap right now.
Canada, baby.
Yeah.
Soloed it, 55-hour drive coming from Harriston, Ontario, Canada.
That's a commitment. I know.
Yeah.
I don't know where Harriston is, but I know where Ontario is, and it's a far, far way away.
It's called the Hulkatello because
Hulkatello.
it's a little bit green and it's a little bit purple, so everybody call it Donatello and Hulk, so he said Hulkatello.
I thought maybe he was a Nutella fan.
Oh.
He's rocking that old school S10 body. Good job. 55 hours later, he knocks off a 2-minute time. Good for him.
And that was Mike Wick.
Good job, Mike. Being with you here in the booth, as always, calling this shootout, lots of fun.
It's always a lot of fun. Again, I love all our viewers tuning in from all over the state and all over the country. We appreciate all of our Canadian guys jumping in. That was super neat to see.